Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add subscribers to MailerLite. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your MailerLite account. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to the left panel. And as you can see here, we have the subscribers option. Just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, you have yourself right here as a subscriber. All right. Now, if you want to add more, just go ahead and go to the top right. And as you can see here, we'll be able to click add subscribers. Just click on it. Now in here, if you have a CSV file or TXT file that got the list of your subscribers, just go ahead and click on upload right here. And once that's done, just click on import subscribers. All right. If you want to copy and paste, just go and click on this option. All right. Copy it from Excel. Now paste the data in here. And once done, again, import subscribers. Or if you have a MailChimp, go ahead and use this option, or if you have an API. All right. Now for this example, I'm just going to click on add single subscriber just for you to see how it works. All right. For example, I'm going to add in my secondary email right here. Now the name, Ryan R. If you want to show more fields, click on it. Include the last name, company, country, city, phone, state, and zip. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on add subscriber. Wait for it to finish. And as you can see here, it is now saved. Now, when we go back to subscribers right here on the left panel, just click on it. And as you can see here, under all subscribers, we now have 2. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.